Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Boxycharm unboxing try-on style. If you have not heard of Boxycharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. Each of the Boxycharm boxes, total value is always over $100, so you are definitely getting your money's worth. So if you have any other questions about Boxycharm itself, please leave it in the comments below and I will be happy to answer for you. This month's theme is au naturel, and this month's box totaled out to be $135 for me. There are different variations of the box, so each box can be different. So let me know what you guys got in your box. Did you get the same things or is it different? All right, first thing I'm gonna pull out here is the ELEMIS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, which sounds awesome. I love ELEMIS. They have had ELEMIS in boxes before. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream and I loved this so much. So I know I like the brand ELEMIS. It says it nourishes, smooths, brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So sounds pretty good. And this retails for $35. It says to use twice weekly and leave on for 10 minutes. Now I am not going to be trying this on just because it's going to take a little bit longer and I'm just not gonna try it right now. But if you are curious to know how well this works, I will keep you updated in the comments. Just let me know. Next thing I'm going to dive into are these LUXIE GAEA 3-piece brush set. We've got a LUXIE 510 foundation brush. Oh my gosh, I love these handles too. How cute is that? Why does that make me happy? So this is the 510 foundation brush, the LUXIE 250 large eye blending brush. I really love this. There are a lot of LUXIE brushes in Boxycharm and I have never been disappointed with one. And then the other one is the LUXIE 246 precision crease brush. So a great array of brushes. The only thing is I didn't know I got a foundation brush, otherwise I would have used this and let you know, but I will use it in another video to see how it works out. I will be using the eye brushes today though. So since we have that, we are gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It does come with a mirror, the little plastic piece, and then some beautiful neutral shades. It is a long mirror. These are the shades. This looks like a beautiful palette. Not that I need another neutral, but this does look like it has quite a few different shades. So we're gonna do some swatches first and then I will try them on my eyes. I'll let you know how I feel about them. This shade is Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva. The last two are Matte. This one is Temptress and Femme Fatale. There we have all of our shades. I'm gonna dip into a few of these shades so we can see how well they work, how well they blend, all that good stuff, and I will let you know once I'm finished. Okay, so here's the finished look. It was going great, and then I'm like, more, and I just kind of ruined it a little bit. But I started with Femme Fatale out in the outer corner using the large eye blending brush. I was just packing that on and then I blend it out in the crease just a tad bit. And then I took the Precision Crease brush and I went in with Enchantress and packed that all over the lid. Then in the middle of the lid, I used Queen, packed that in there a little bit, which I think kind of faded the way. Ran Temptress under the lash line and then a little bit in the outer corner, and then just kind of went back and forth with those a little bit. That's all I did. The eyeshadows work wonderfully. I had absolutely no problems with any fallout at all, which was great working with those darker colors. All of them went on super smooth, blended out super smooth, so this is a fantastic palette. This retails for $32. The brush set retails for $30. The next item we got in here is by Pure. This is the Pro Eyelash Curler. This is so cute. I love the rainbow chrome look. This retails for $18. I definitely know I already like the brand Pure. I am just going to quickly curl my lashes. So far it fits on there really well and it feels like it's giving it a good clamp. I don't know, how do you tell if it's a good lash curler? Oh wow, I I'm gonna zoom you in. Can you tell the difference? I have no idea. Those definitely lifted the lashes though. Yeah, I really like the way this grips them. It's very comfortable and I'm not worried about gouging out my eye or anything. Yeah, that definitely gives them a great look. I really like this one. Mascaras on, lashes look fantastic. I love that we got an eyelash curler. The last box, I believe it was the last box, we did get a mascara with a curler on it. Not my favorite. This works 20 times better. I love it. The last product we have in here is by OFRA. This is the liquid lip. What shade? Santorini? Is that the shade? Santorini. I think I am not going to put this on. I will just show you real quick. I am not going to apply this or swatch this. Perfect little doe foot applicator. I am going to set this away for a giveaway just because this is a beautiful shade, and maybe I'll end up changing my mind, but this is not a shade I would typically wear, so I'd rather give it away to somebody who is going to love it a lot more. And speaking of giveaways, I am going to do a decent sized giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you share the videos with your friends, all that good stuff. So that is the end of what's in the box. Overall, I think this is a great box. The brushes always hit it out of the park. I love those. The eyeshadow palette is beautiful. The eyelash curler worked really well. I'm really excited to try out the mask. I'm probably going to do that tonight. And I already know OFRA liquid lips I do love. Just that shade is probably not for me. So if you have any questions or anything, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.